Kern is building high-precision CNC machines, and we produce core components for our customers. We're building very accurate machines, very dynamic machines that can economically produce precious parts.
Here at Kern, we build three different types of machines. The Kern Evo, it's very well known for highest precision in the 3-axis industry. The Kern Pyramid Nano, one of the very first machine with hydrostatic axis. And last but not least, the Kern Micro. If you're searching for highest precision in 5-axis, this is the machine you should take. With this highly flexible group of machines, we can cover nearly every demand, starting at jewelry, watch industry, mold and die, automotive, nearly everything. But there is one uniting factor, the demand of precision and dynamics resulting in productivity.
Kern is a very renowned machine builder, and we produce core components, so we also deliver parts.
Kern is doing mill parts on Kern milling machines. When it comes to very precise tolerances, so 5 microns and below, then we are the right partner for the customers. We have EDM, YEDM, Sync EDM. We have a big department for quality inspection. We do the whole process around micro and precise manufacturing.
We at Kern, we cover everything from the machine, the process, the operator, to the final part, to enable the client to achieve his end goal.
To mill a part, you need a machine, a process, and the machine user. Only together can you make perfect product. With the Kern Training Center, we can transfer our know-how to our customers.
We are certified Heidenhain training partner, and we are proud that we have a very up-to-date training center where we can also fulfill this customer need in terms of operator training.
Just to differentiate on precision is not possible anymore. You need to do more. You need to over-exceed the expectations that the customer has. It has never been just a machine. It's always more.
Some customers have very many ideas that they want to implement on their machines, and it's more challenging to satisfy all their wishes. I definitely think that we have developed as a company because of the special customers we have.
The combination of Kern machine building and the Kern subcontracting is unique. We can give all the knowledge and the experience we have back to the machine building. We use the machines in a production environment, so the machines are running for 24/7, and this gives a lot of experience on running machines. I don't know any other company with this combination and this level of precision.
What makes Kern really special is the team, is the people that are working here. Very much involved, highly motivated, very energetic. Everybody has some kind of a connection to each other.
It's not only in the production or in the R&D, it's also in the service department, in the purchasing, the backbone of this whole company. I'm proud of everybody.
We have a clear production here at Kern. We build the machines with lean standards. The assemblies are from customer to customer different. One man alone is not enough to build a machine. We need the whole team and all our specialists here in the production. And so we are sure that the machines have the Kern quality. The team is very proud to build machines with a high accuracy and top quality and deliver them in all the world.
I guess we wouldn't get anything done without teamwork. It's essential at Kern that we have everyone on board and that everyone is tackling the same issue. Sometimes if a client has a special need that he wants us to solve, then we get together maybe in our research department from different specialists, and then we just brainstorm a bit and think about what would be the best way to solve this issue.
To work at Kern is like a family. We need the input from the customer. We work in a team, and this is how we want to work. It's our attitude.
Kern subcontracting is much more than a supplier. We are a partner of our customers. There needs to be a lot of trust. We need the information from the customer, what he's going to do with the parts. So we need to be a partner of the customer.
If you buy a machine from Kern, for the lifetime of the machine, you are part of the Kern family, as we call it. Whenever you have a challenge, we have an applications department here that can help you out. We do that for free for our customers to help them to overcome hurdles and to be productive.
If we want to survive as Kern in this Shark Tank, we have to adapt to the customer need.
The unmanned fabrication is very important for us. It gives a lot of information of how good the process is. Only if the process is very good and you have a stable quality, you can use the machines overnight and have an unmanned production. The big advantage for the client is the costs for producing the parts get lower without a loss of quality.
We've made big progress internationally, so especially in the China region and in the United States of America. We have our own subsidiary there. It's important to have our guys also on site, close to the customer. We have a very clear idea what Kern should look like in the future and what we're doing and where we put our energy in. We want to focus on technology leadership, on quality and service.
The future aspects, what we are working on, is to do the next technical step, to move the boundary of what's technically possible and take our customers with us to also enable them to make things they are currently not able to do.
It is a big challenge to stay on top. You need to be better every day.
I enjoy this challenge because it's not easy. You fight to find a solution for it, and if you find a solution and it works, then it's great.
It makes me very proud to receive an email from a customer that says the machine is great. It's always in my mind that there's a person there who uses our machines and who think that can only use a Kern because this is such a special machine.
I'm really proud of the team we have here, of the things we accomplish, of the energy that is here, of the willingness to make things better and the motivation that you feel. It's always the team spirit that makes things happen, and that makes me extremely proud.
We don't build machines for us, we build up machines for our customer. We are looking to find the perfect solution, and that's what makes Kern special.